Lami.
Masarap.
Dapat perfect yung sound.
Magsindo na po.
Perfect yung sound. 1, 2, 3. Nagsam-it.
Ano yun?
Ang tamis mo magmahal. Okay.
It's in the shade transparent. Okay. Pagkakalamig. 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 I like my coffee cold. I like to taste the cold.
Oh, you're wrong. It's taste the chill.
Okay, taste the chill.
Our coffee lover.
Are you guys ready to watch me win? Okay.
Ano na yan? Ano na yan?
Feeling ko kasi gusto niya ng kiss ni Joe.
Inaantok na kasi ako, guys!
Ba't mo gusto yun?
Because it's not in the rules naman. Gotta do what you gotta
Coffee
do.
lover.
Anong sarap! It's so creamy.
One more.
Oh!
Hindi pa siya fully submerged. Dapat submerged. Ano yung submerged? Submerged. Hindi namin alam ang spelling of submerged. Submerged? Alam nito. Submerged.
Vanilla eh.
Dalawa na ilalagay ko. Okay, you see this?
Ano sa akin? Ano sa akin?
Submerge.
Okay. Ang lakas.
Oragon!
Wala. Ikaw lang nakakita. You're delusional.
Nilulo ka pala eh.